In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage file sharing on Google Drive. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Google Drive and log into your account. If you're not yet familiar with this process, simply head over to drive.google.com and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you'll want to find the section labeled Shared with Me. This is where files that others have shared with you are located, so it's an important area to become familiar with, particularly if you're collaborating on projects with others. Once you've accessed the Shared with Me section, the next step is to open the specific file you're interested in. It's as simple as clicking on the file name. A quick tip: if you have a large number of shared files, you can use the search function in Google Drive to quickly find what you're looking for. After opening the file, you'll notice several options, one of which is Share. Click on this and you'll open a window that gives you more control over how the file is shared. It's a key feature when you want to ensure the right people have access. Now, there might be a second instance where it seems like you've clicked Share again. This repetition is to emphasize that you'll often need to verify that the sharing settings are appropriately set for your goal. Consistency in how you manage shared files ensures fewer sharing mishaps down the road. Once you're clear on who currently has access, there might arise a situation where you need to click on Request Access. This step is crucial when you come across a file you need, but don't have access rights to. By clicking Request Access, you're essentially sending a request to the file's owner. To enhance your request, it's advisable to add a personalized message. This way, the owner can easily recognize who you are and understand why you need access, which tends to speed up the approval process. Finally, all that's left to do is click Send. This action completes your request, alerting the file owner to your need for access. Sometimes you may encounter errors due to cached data, which can affect the process. In such cases, clearing your cache or trying a different browser might resolve these issues. By following these steps, you'll be proficient in navigating shared files on Google Drive, ensuring you have the access you need and can share files seamlessly with others. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your Google Drive experience.